Welcome to the informative educational model, principles and rules of preparation of carious cavities. Lecture number 1. Dental instruments used in the preparation of carious cavities. The following dental instruments are intended for the preparation of carious cavities. Dental handpieces, burrs and rotating abrasive tools, hand tools for the treatment of carious cavities. Types of dental handpieces. Dental handpieces. This is a tool that converts the energy supplied from the dental unit into the corresponding movements of the working tool. In therapeutic dentistry, handpieces are used very widely in the preparation of hard tooth tissues, processing fillings, endodontic treatment, professional oral hygiene, and so on. Dependent on the design features, the type of drive, and the associated speed of rotation of the drill, dental handpieces come in three types: turbine, angular, and straight. Turbine handpiece. In turbine handpiece, the drill is driven by compressed air, which is supplied from the dental unit compressor to the turbine rotor located inside the handpiece head. The turbine handpiece has an air-water cooling system for the prepared surface. It is connected to the drill by means of a rubber hose that has a mouthpiece which holds the connector at the end. Turbine handpiece create a very high speed of burr rotation, which ensures fast and efficient preparation of hard tooth tissues. Burrs for the turbine handpiece have a shank diameter of 1.60 mm in the tip, and the burrs are fixed with a collet device of special key. Angular handpiece. Angular handpiece are low speed. Their main features is the variety of working tools used and types of movements during dissection. Usual micromotor, the handpiece provides a speed of rotation of the burr from 1000 to 40,000 rpm. The angular handpiece also have an air-water cooling system for the prepared surface. The burr in the handpiece is fixed by a rotary latch or push-button collet. Burrs for angular handpiece have a rod diameter of 2.35 mm, a folded circular cutting for fixing in the handpiece. Straight handpiece. Straight handpiece have approximately the same speed characteristics as angular, but due to their design features, they allow you to apply more pressure on the drill without the appearance of tool vibration. The burrs for the straight handpiece have a rod diameter of 2.35 mm and are fixed in the tip with a collet clip. Dental burrs, purpose and scope of application. Dental burrs. This is a cutting or abrasive rotating tools used when working with the teeth for preparation, hard tooth tissues, processing fillings. Depending on the material of manufacture, there are steel, hard alloy wheels, abrasive tools with a diamond coating of the working part, diamond burrs. According to the form of the working part, burrs are distinguished: spherical, cylindrical, cone-shaped, pear-shaped, wheel-shaped, peak-shaped, bullet-shaped. Burrs have a different working part size. Typically, the diameter of the hook heads used in therapeutic dentistry ranges from 1 to 3 mm, but both large and smaller burrs are produced. Steel burrs, they have 6 to 8 blades, cutting faces on the working part, directed according to the axis of rotation of the burr. Steel burrs can effectively use only dancing and only at low rotation speeds, so they are used only in low-speed handpieces, angular and straight. Steel burrs with small notches, finished polishes are used for processing, grinding, and polishing metal fillings. A working part solid alloy burr is made of: on it 6 to 8 sharp cutting edges are cut, directed according to the axis of rotation of the burr. Carbide burrs having a high cutting capacity can withstand thermal overload and can effectively process enamel, dentin, amalgam, composites, and other materials at high speeds, including using turbine handpiece. The cutting efficiency of carbide burrs is higher than that of diamond burrs, but they are less durable. Diamond burrs. Diamond burrs, they are made by applying artificial and natural diamond grains to a stainless steel billet. Diamond grains are applied and fixed on the working part of the burr by electroplating using a special binder. Diamond burrs, they allow efficient processing at high speeds, including using turbine headpiece. Due to the structure of the diamond coating, such burrs do not cut off the processed fabrics but grinding. Therefore, diamond burrs allow you to effectively process only hard-to tissues. For the preparation of soft tissues and materials, primarily demineralized dentin, diamond burrs are of little use. This is due to the fact that during such processing, the gaps between the diamond grains are quickly clogged with organic substances contained in the dentin. As a result, burr loses its abrasive efficiency, and instead of removing dentin, it wraps it along the walls of the cavity to form a thick and raw smeared layer. In addition, due to an increase in the friction force, the tooth tissues overheat, leading to the thermal injury. Color coding by International Standard Organization. Diamond burrs use color coding of the size of the diamond grain in the form of a colored rim on the shank. This data, as well as information about the purpose of various burrs, are shown in the table. Color coding of diamond burrs grain size. The purpose of burrs in preparation of carious cavities. Spherical steel. Removal of softened dentin, necrotomy with deep carious cavities. Spherical hard alloy. Preparation of carious cavities, removal of affected dentin, forming semicircular lines, retention services, places on the bottom and walls of the cavity, expansion of the root canal mouth, opening the tooth cavity. Pear-shaped hard alloy. Preparation of carious cavities class 1 and 3, removal of affected dentin, formation of smooth contours of the cavity, smooth transition between the bottom and walls of the cavity when filling with composites and other polymer materials. Biconical hard alloy, forming a flat bottom of the cavity, creating undercuts, sharp corners, and shaping of the cavity retention system or preparation of cavities of 1, 2, and 5 classes, especially with filling with amalgam. Cylindrical cupboard drill with a flat head. Opening and expansion of the cavity, excision fissures, formation of vertical, strictly parallel walls, right angles, flat bottom when filling with amalgam or taps. Cylindrical cupboard drill with rounded head, tapete-shaped. Opening of class 1 and 2 cavities, excision, fissure formation of smooth contours of the cavity, smooth transition between the bottom and walls of the cavity when filling with composites and other polymer materials. Cone-shaped hard alloy. Opening and expanding the cavity, forming the walls or obtaining the divergence. Preparation of a further filling with taps when invasive sealing system, fissure fluid composites, or with your own composite devices. Solid alloy wheel. Creation retention services, cutting lines on the walls of the carious cavity, removal of old fillings and crowns. Spherical diamond. Preparation of small carious cavity, especially within the animal, with creation of smooth transition between the bottom and the walls, opening of carious cavities, creation of a trepanation opening when endodontics treatment, correction occlusive surfaces. Pear-shaped diamond. Preparation of small carious cavities of 1, 2, and 3 classes, mainly within the animal, formation cavities, smoothed out contours of the cavity, smooth transition between the bottom and walls of the cavity, when filling with composites and other materials. Biconical diamond, removing old filling from composite or amalgam, contouring fillings on the chewing surfaces. Cylindrical diamond drill with rounded head, tapete-shaped. Preparation of small carious cavities of 1, 2, and 3 classes, mainly within the animal, when it necessary to form vertical structurally parallel walls, preparation of frontal teeth for composite veneers. Cone-shaped diamond. Opening and expansion of the carious cavity, formation of the cavity walls to obtain the divergence when filling with inlays, invasive sealing systems, fissure, teeth with filling with fluid composites or with your own computer devices. Peak-shaped diamond. Preparation of animal walls in class 2 cavities, tooth separation, contouring contact cavities of restoration in cervical areas, processing subgingival areas sections of composite fillings and linings. Flame-shaped diamond. Treatment of restoration on concave oral surface of frontal teeth. Bullet-shaped diamond 1. creating a bevel of enamel along the edges of the cavity, contouring restoration on occlusive surfaces of chewing teeth, opening fish chewing teeth. Thank you for your attention.